Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, friends. My name is Novita Sari. I'm fifth semester in State College of University in Bangka Belitung. And now, I can explain to you about professional attitudes in philosophical foundation in language education, especially if you want to be a teacher in a classroom. Be a professional in profession is not easy, but we can learn doing so. When someone chooses to be a teacher, the first thing to know is that teacher will interact directly with the students who will be taught. For it, a teacher must have a professional attitude. In this here, I can discuss about some of them to be a teacher who has the professional attitude. The first, change behavior to talk about things and topic outside the area as a professional educator. This can be done by avoiding gossiping in staff room. When the teacher in a room, we can talk about ways to teach proper read by reading useful read. Second, if you have a new companion, guide and provide support for advance by always commented positively to things he does. The third, the time of meeting. Show your the best idea. The problem is not effective or not, but have a learn to convince others that your best idea. The fourth, when a teacher is a classroom, then there is no such thing as golden boy. Teacher should be able to generalize all students. If a teacher is doing that, then the teacher has a not of professional attitude. Although there is a child in the class, nephew or son of teacher, still professional attitude of a teacher is not distinguished the students. And the last, the teacher become professional attitude. Then this will have a major impact on the environment that he enters, one of which is the student. Okay friends, I think that's all about the professional attitude, especially if you want to be an ideal teacher in a classroom. I think this can help if you want to teach the student in school. We must have a good professional attitude. Or, in other words, we can to be ideal teacher in school, especially in classroom. Thank you.